Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set who can see what others post to your profile or post on your profile on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu button down below on the right side corner, and then click on settings at the top. Scroll down to audience and visibility and click on profile and tagging. After that, tap on who can see what others post on your profile. Now it is set to only me, but here you can select from a bunch of other options, so you can choose your audience, friends of friends, friends except. So you can select certain people to whom you don't want to show these posts that others posted on your profile, specific friends, or only me. Tap on the relevant button and then it will be saved automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.